then sliding off. That driver just barely able to get it back under control. The slick, icy conditions leading to cars losing control and crashing. This white pickup getting off an exit ramp, sliding down it sideways. And this sports car skidding, luckily coming to a stop before crashing. And as this car slides, two other drivers barely miss crashing.
This message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. All stations shall transmit this message. Today there have been reports of unusually cold weather and dangerous ice. To ensure your safety, do not go outside unless it is necessary to do. It is extremely difficult to walk due to the ice on the ground, and cars have been slipping around and crashing into each other. All residents are advised to not walk or drive at the moment. Please also be aware that there may be power outages in certain areas, and we are currently investigating this. We will update you shortly.
These cars off the road. On Interstate 44 in Missouri, the State Highway Patrol rushing to assist with half a dozen jackknife trailers. The storm bringing bone-chilling.
This message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. All stations shall transmit this emergency alert. Several deaths have been reported due to the drop of temperatures and dangerous weather. All residents are highly advised to stay indoors during this time. All forms of public transport has been suspended. We do not expect this situation to calm down any sooner. We do not have any further information at this time. This is the National Weather Service signing out.
It's possible, plowing the areas that need to be plowed, that workers need to get access to. So there is a massive effort happening right now, but people really need to try to hunker down, again, unless you have one of those emergencies where you can call the hotline in the Erie area. But otherwise, stay home, let folks get that really urgent.
This message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. All stations should transmit this emergency broadcast. It has been reported that there have been severe power outages due to the cold weather. Power lines have been frozen solid in some parts of America. In case of a power outage in your area, Carry a battery-powered radio with you at all times and tune into your local station. We will try to stay on the air for as long as possible. Do not go outside at the moment as it is currently unsafe and there are chances of flooding due to the ice caps. This is the National Weather Service signing off. This message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government. All stations should transmit this emergency alert. Please stand by. Half of the world is now frozen into ice. Over 1 million deaths have now been reported across the globe due to the decreasing temperatures. It is unknown at this time if humanity will survive this, but please stay calm at all times. If you are still alive, do not panic as this will not help anything. All remaining citizens must take shelter right now. I repeat, all citizens must take shelter right now. May God save us all. All programming has been discontinued at the request of the White House. All stations will transmit this message. Please stand by. We have some disturbing news. Our beloved planet is slowly coming to an end. Temperatures are continuing to drop to an all-time low and there is no sign of this stopping. It has been proven that now we will be experiencing a second ice age. Buildings have started to collapse and shatter due to being completely frozen, and people have been seen being turned into frozen statues. All we can do now is gather our loved ones and wait for our eventual deaths. We will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system and we will play our national anthem one final time.